Gotham Steel Air Fry Pan, the fastest, easiest way to air fry food without using oil or butter. My pan uses air instead. The unique side vents allow heated air to flow through, creating a convective current inside that fries food fast, up to 20% faster than other pans. The result, a light crispy outside with a tender moist centre, made with super slick ceramic and super strong titanium. It's stronger than steel, so metal utensils won't even scratch it. And look, not even this cheesy upside down pizza will stick to the Thai ceramic surface. Now make omelettes lighter and fluffier than ever, then slide them right out. And forget oily messes from flipping or mixing food, because the convection cooks food on all sides equally, so there's no need to flip it. Now make homemade steakhouse fries in just minutes, and crispy bacon with that perfect crunch. Even roll a chocolate bar in wonton wrappers for a really fast, easy dessert. So forget the oil and butter. When you crave fried foods, use my air fry pan.
How much is the roast beef?
It's fantastic product here. Affordable price, very, very fantastic.
I've carried heavy mom.
For your Christmas chicken fries and everything for this Christmas. Very, very
one
quality
has been.
product.
À la banque. À la banque.